Everyone, this is a super impromptu video, but just want to touch on some recent news that just came out about an hour ago, which is Elon tweeted that California not letting Tesla open up their factory until potentially June 1st is frankly the final straw. We're going to move Tesla's HQ and all further developments to either Nevada or Texas. And potentially manufacturing, if they even keep that, will need to be reassured that California will treat Tesla differently in the future. So this is monumental freaking news. Caught me off guard. So yeah, we have now the battery day coming out in about 2 or 3 weeks. Potentially, he said either held in California or Texas. It's looking pretty clear where it's going to be held now off this recent news. So we have that. Additionally, like I touched on in my video about a couple months ago, is Tesla going to Austin? Those reasons still stand. And then now we have Tesla's increasing. Literally, he just announced they're moving their headquarters. And then we have SpaceX is building their rockets down there, and Elon's been spending a lot of time in Boca Chica, which is only like 5 or 6 hours from Austin, Texas. Rumor has it they bought a 400-acre plot of land outside of Austin. With his recent tweets, this is like a huge move Tesla recon mission. This is crazy. He's even telling the shareholders to sue the county as well, because Tesla's suing the county that the factory is in. I think it's Alameda or Almedia. Wow. So this is big news. Just came out. I wonder what's going to happen to the stock price on Monday. Not that that matters, but I'm just curious, like, how is it going to be received? Who knows? But yes, that's some pretty massive news. It's Saturday right now. But yeah, maybe they were playing that all along. Maybe that's why Elon Musk sold his houses in California, because he knew this was coming. I don't know. I have no idea, but I'm excited to hear more about this, because I'm just gonna grab the popcorn and watch this one, because this is crazy. So anyway, guys, that's the short update. I'm gonna keep up to date on this. I might do more videos, because it just seems like Elon's been grabbing more and more headlines lately. He was just on Joe Rogan's podcast. But yeah, so we're going to see what happens. This is crazy. But yeah, so appreciate you guys checking in. All set up to date, and I'll see you next time. Peace.